Collaboration with robots imposes counterintuitive interaction, where physical contact is avoided. Robots are programmed to freeze when humans approach, and interactions must follow a strict and reduced protocol. This project looks at the potential of safe physical interaction by embracing collision rather than avoiding it, creating a tangible interface between humans and robots as a tool for safe manipulation and live programming. I imagined a new materiality for robots and a formable and sensitive membrane activated by air to adapt to situations via smooth confrontations, leading to direct and safer interactions. The project makes use of soft robotics technology, inspired by other living species that make use of deformation to behave in their natural habitats. It calls for other forms of intelligence through body language. The design of a soft interface allows the creation of muscle-like motion, perceived as a form of biological movement. It makes the interaction smooth and intuitive. Instead of avoiding collision within tight and closed spaces, the collision becomes a tool for collaboration. This project is a result of the S+T+ARTS Residency as part of the Horizon 2020 project VOJEXT, and is informed by an industrial context of 5 European experimental pilots making use of autonomous mobile robotic systems. All 3 technical partners involved in the project, UPM, Nebrija, and IIT, provided insightful knowledge about actual interaction protocols. They later served as a guideline to define a new interaction protocol based on the design of a physical interface. To improve the robot's cognition, the desired membrane combines sensitive and soft parts. The sensitive parts are flexible sensors, using technology developed by IIT. The design process involved the intervention of other forms of art, such as the collaboration with performer Michela Filzi. Work sessions where the performer interacts by dancing with a robotic arm have been used for a detailed analysis of the contact zones between the 2 moving agents. This way, we were able to design where to best place the flexible sensors. The design has been tested by a team from Universidad Nebrija to ensure they could provide a layer of safety to the human in the presence of the robot, but also to embrace this new form of soft collision. It also informed back to the performer, knowing that the robot was now sensitive to her presence and influenced the way she behaved. This active and reactive approach to robotics impacts how the robot performs and is perceived. This plays a crucial role in building trust and encouraging closer interactions. The membrane becomes a tangible interface, disrupting interaction protocols used in industrial contexts for the emergence of new protocols of inclusive interactions that involve the whole body.